Yan, nagre-record na yan. I-set ko lang ito ng ano. Non-starts. Last night.
Tagalog lang po. Hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya, ma'am.
There we go. Sige.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Our tour is 2 days. And one more, sir. Jump shot.
Lubog tayo lahat dito. Yun, no?
Yeah, don't move too much lang ho, ah.
Okay.
Yeah, for the balance. I don't know how to swim, ha? Patay tayo dyan. Yeah, joke lang. So, we have another optional feature. There on your right side, before we enter Anamari Cave, look at the floater po. Sa kanan, sa floater. Yung nakakulay green, yun yung official photographer natin.
Jump shot!
Wave your hands. Smile. Don't be shy. Show your gums. No more na. No more na.
Wala ko may lumog.
Hindi pa ako nahulog. I'm not lost.
Okay.
So lahat ba? All of you first time here?
Yeah. Manila.
Simbirit kayo sa kanila.
Sa, ano yung magkakasapa ka?
Sino yung hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog? Yan, isa. Saka yung college.
China.
So by the way pala ha, I'm Ricky. I'm your cave guide. Not caveman.
Iba yun.
Pakinggan sir. So if you have some question, tanong nyo na lang po sa akin.
Okay.
Hit the back ha.
Kailan na-discover tong cave?
Ito sir ay wala siyang existing documents. Kung kailan, kung sino naka-discover underground river.
Okay.
So but the natives po, ano yung Batak and Tagbanwa?
Batak and Tagbanwa.
Yeah, those are the first people in island of Palawan sir. Noon they existed. May nakatagpo nito.
Okay.
Dahil sa kanilang belief, maniniwala, some bad spirit living here, preventing them from exploring the deep. Wala siyang document kung kailan sila natagpuan. Free shower here.
Okay.
You want to take a bath?
Yes.
Also hit the bath? Yeah, don't
Ba't urine? Ba't urine?
Okay now, good morning.
Yeah.
Everyone, welcome here po in Underground River. Or Puerto Princesa, Subterranean River National Park. The longest navigable underground river, one of the 7 wonders of nature.
Nice.
So all of you, first time po?
Yeah.
Wow. Me too.
Maligo na tayo.
Our tour now is 1.5 kilometer po. And it takes around more or less 45 minutes.
Oh.
Okay. So itong mouth ng cave, the entrance and exit of our tour. Nassim tunnel will out also here pa rin. Ikot lang tayo sa inside.
Walang lilikuan.
Or like them, in front, you see? Yan, those driving the paddle boat. Those are the group of survivors.
Oh!
Survive na sila. Explore this cave yesterday pa.
Yesterday.
Before lang nakalabas.
Oh!
Yeah? We are now the challengers. Annyeong. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, and then yung bad smell here is on the right side, ma'am.
Oh!
Up a little lang.
Oh!
Taas, konti, taas.
Bat? Oh.
Yan, sa kanan, sa kanan.
Kanan.
Taas, yun.
Tapalo na. Ayan na.
Yun yung bad smell, our bats. It's not me, ha?
And over the top of us.
Maaga pa. Yung kanilang droppings, o yung guano. Yung guano yung bats in bird pupo, yung number 1 organic fertilizer. Yung bats
Okay na.
So yung mga bats na yan are insect bats
Oh.
or insectivorous. They eat mosquito or some small insect like night. Above your head, oh, so many, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya reminders, if you look up, don't open your mouth. Yeah, I'm not sure all the drippings water are minerals. Sometimes, they have a holy shit, ha? A holy pupo. Baka mag-shoot on your mouth. Ew.
Lots of ew.
Kadirit ka. Diretso yan, hindi na yan mapigil, ha? Pag nag-shoot. Yan, ma'am, on the right side, we have another cave.
Oh.
In bat cave. There are bat chambers.
Wow. How many?
200 meter long.
200 meters.
From here, dead end na siya.
Okay.
Hindi lang. No passage outside yan. So, thousand of bats living there. Tayo are not allowed to explore the bat cave kasi we disturb them. All nocturnal animals ang tawag sa kanila, active at night only.
Okay.
The day right now, they are lobat, diba? Slimay sila. Huwag niyong ilawan yung nasa harap natin, ma'am, ha? Don't like them. Those are people like us. Masilaw. You hear those flying species around us making click noise. Yan maingay.
Yes.
Birds po yan. Birds, it's not a bats.
Oh.
You know swallow? Galing sa sayaw.
Wow.
Yan o. They made an edible bird's nest. Yung expensive.
Okay.
They making soup, di ba?
Yes.
So walang nagko-collect dito, bawal.
Oh.
Wala rin tayo makikitang sample. Sorry.
Oh, it's a pro.
Okay. Yung mga gray color stone you see around us or making up our wall, yan yung limestone, yung gray color. On your left, yan o, batong ako. Yung gray.
Gray.
Ako.
Oh.
Yan. Yan. So this cave is made up of limestone. And a little up, ma'am, yung kulay puti.
Oh.
Yung puti na bato, puti. Yung puti.
Yeah.
Or yellowish, yan naman ay cave formations. Consider that stalactite, stalagmite, column, or a flowstone. Depend lang yan kung saan sila na-form. And then yung water here in this river is not a fresh water. Kita nyo na wall? We have a water line, di ba?
Yeah.
The water level here during high tide of the sea. Yung high tide and low tide.
Oh.
Or this river is connected sa dagat. Kaya brackish water ang tawag dito. Brackish. Yan yung mixture of fresh and salt water. So don't taste the water, ha? There is a lot of bad buko, ha? 安妞，Ayo po, Benny. Yeah, hello mga kuya po, Benny dito.
Oh.
Nahulog yung bed nila. So now, it's going low tide na, kaya nga yung move natin is slow lang. We are against the current of water. Pa-low tide kasi ngayon.
So, how many?
Here po, more or less sir, nasa 8 feet yan. Lumalaro yan sa 6 or 7 meters.
Wow. That's so deep.
Mababaw lang yan sir. Abot natin yan ha. Patong-patong tayo. Pero sa ibabaw ako. Lampas. Okay, in front natin ma'am, a little up lang ho. Up. Taas pa taas. Sa kisa may abante.
Ayan.
Taas ng konti. Yun, abante, konti lang ma'am.
Konti.
Yan, yung flat.
Hindi. Abante, konti. Abante.
Yan.
Abante.
Para siyang cloud.
Oh.
Or
Lapas
like a
kasi
ceiling
yan.
of a big church, di ba?
Oh.
So yung formations na yan, is made up of water.
Yan?
Yung dripping water yung tumutulo.
Oo.
Rainwater yan. Stack of rain from the top of mountain, they go on a crack of stone lang po, direct inside the cave. So yung water na yan, ang nag-made up of a cave formation here. Like on your right, oh, yung yellowish.
There.
Taas mo, taas.
Yeah.
Sa kanan, sa kanan.
Kanan.
Malapit na.
Orange,
Yung
orange.
dilaw, dilaw.
Yeah.
So you see, nice formation, no? Made up of water din yan. There are some flowings, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya lahat ng mga yellowish color stone here, mineral deposit lang yan sila. Kaya pa, Bengi. So before the water drops po yan, above the water level, it leaves a thin layer of minerals. Tinatawag na calcite or calcium carbonate, yung mineral deposit from water. Yun yung nagpapalaki sa mga stone dito. Kaya yan sila ay buhay. Hindi. Nagbabago yung structure and formation nila dahil sa minerals. Malaki kaya. So in a study, ang estimated growth rate of a stone here around us, so approximately po yan, 2 millimeter lang per year.
Oh.
Or 0.08 inch. Ating layer lang po yun. Kaya nga in our whole life, hindi natin mapapansin is some information here are changes.
Oh.
Dahil slow masyado ang growth rate nila. So that's why we are not allowed to touch them. Bawal yung silang hawakan.
I see.
Mas sensitive pa yan sa amin. Bato lang yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Kung gusto nyong hawakan, okay lang. Basta maabot nyo.
Good luck.
Pag hindi nyo maabot, dapat. Dadok lang. Okay, ma'am, light straight sa harap. We have another example of a formation there. Sa harap, ma'am. Ito nga. Baba. Baba, baba. Konting kanan lang. Yung dilaw na sa harapan ninyo, ma'am. Baba, ilawan nyo, baka kagat yan. Baka kagatin tayo.
Oh.
Parang dinosaur head. You see that?
Yeah.
A little down. There.
Oh,
Inverted, facing on the water.
parang nakakanga.
Left konti, ma'am. Konti lang left.
Konting left. Left. Konting.
Yeah, konti na lang. Konti na lang.
Kakain na tayo.
Mga tao. Nakasakay sa bangka. Yung yellowish, ma'am, sa left, yun, dinosaur.
May
Parang
pangil.
T-Rex.
May pangil yun.
Nakapatiwari. And then the other one is like also an alligator's head. Yung beside the dinosaur. Natabi ng dinosaur, ma'am. There. Alligator. You know Lolong, di ba?
Yes.
Look like Lolong. And the other one, si Barney. So abstract formation, kaya here's our imagination. It's not true. It's only a formation, ha?
Oh.
And the next sa harap, and front.
Front.
Up a little up.
Up,
Left.
Left.
It's like a fish head.
There.
Malapit na, ma'am.
I see the eyes. Dala.
Malapit na.
Ayan, oh.
Yan. Malapit lang mawala. You see the eye, oh? Shivering eyeliner pa. Ha?
Oh. Hindi ko abot. Yan, abaan mo lang.
It's only a small crocodile.
Don't move what will sink or else.
Alam niyo dito inside this cave, more on rock formations tayo.
Yeah.
Konting history, kaya just our imagination, ha? Puro bato yung makikita natin dito. Kaya kami dito, batong-bato na. Ha? Yan on your left, ma'am, on the yellowish.
Oh.
Kaliwa.
No.
Yun,
Yan.
you see,
Wow.
we have an image of Virgin Mary. There, oh, in the middle.
I
Like
see.
painting. You see Maria
Yeah.
doon?
The black one?
Yung kulay black,
No.
oh, in the middle.
Yes. The face with the face.
So yan cave formations na yan, there is an example or we call it flowstone. Sila yung mga mineral deposit na na naiwan or form on wall. Made up of water also yan flowing beside the wall or stone. Pag from ceiling, like the dinosaur or T-Rex, there is a beautiful example of stalactite formations.
Where is the stalactite?
From ceiling, going down. Later, I'll show you, sir.
Okay.
And then from the ground or floor of the cave, we call it naman stalagmite. Oh. Paunahin natin sila. We're loser. Yeah, because it's so easy. It's alright.
Whoa, what's that
Alam
sound?
nyo, easy to remember. Stalactite, letter C, stalak, from ceiling siya going down.
Okay.
Yung stalagmite, letter G, stalag, then from the ground.
Oh.
So later, I'll show you again the formations. We are entering now in a highlights part of this cave.
Oh.
We call it po cathedral.
Wow.
Because the formation in symbol we see like inside a big church. Simba muna tayo.
Okay.
Yes, maaga pa naman, di ba?
Yes.
Yan. Sa harap, ma'am, yan yung baba, yung dilaw na bato sa harap.
Oh.
Diretso, konting kanan. Konti pa, kanan. Baba ng konti.
Oh.
Good. The yellowish color, we call it here a giant candle. Yan. Or look like siya a giant melted or melting candle. Para siyang nauupos. Natutunaw na malaking kandila. There. Yeah, the biggest candle I see in my whole life.
Wow.
There you go. Huh?
Parang movie ah.
Diba? And then yan sa right side niyo yung black na yan. Yan ma'am, yan. Konting kanan lang ho, konting kanan. Up konti ma'am. Baba. Yun. Si Virgin Mary again. Naka-side view.
Okay.
Maria. Look at the shadow. See? Yung anino. She carrying baby Jesus yan. 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 Si Virgin Mary in a giant candle, there is a beautiful example of stalagmite. Stalagmite. From the ground or the floor of the cave, growing up to reach a ceiling. Stalagmite talaga yung tawag.
Okay.
Stalagmite. From the ground sila or the floor of the cave, growing up yan to reach a ceiling. Opposite lang yan ng stalactite.
Asa? Oh.
Both of them, mineral deposit lang yan.
Etong malaking...
Yan sir.
Grabe.
Yan at the back of a giant candle, the white color stone there. Right konti lang ma'am, yung puti. It's look like also an angel. Yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Nakaluhod, her hands is on her chest.
Grabe, laki ng cave.
Sa dibdib yung kamay. Yung puti ma'am, yun.
Video niyo.
Angel, you know angel?
Laki.
Di ba?
Walang ilaw.
In a legal wife.
Angel Octine.
Ayan naman po, konting kaliwa lang. Yan po ma'am, konting kanan. Taas konti lang. Tingnan nyo yung shadow. It's like a lion king. Diba?
Yeah.
Nakaside view yung lion. Simba. Simba. There. Shadow. And a little abante. Abante, baba. Abante ng konti na lang ma'am. Konti pa, yun yung kabayo. There, oh. You see a horse? Yan, ma'am. You see the eye, the head. May bangs pa nga, di ba? Or Pegasus ang tawag dito. The flying horse, and in a Greek mythology. Yung yellowish, there is the wings. Yun yung wings niya. And then, a little forward. Forward ng konti, ma'am. Yun po yung Holy Family. There. Nativity. Greetings. Like Joseph, Maria, and baby Jesus. So natural yan siya. And kita nyo, look up above your head. You see the ceiling? Taas, ma'am.
Taas.
Like arena. Or a big dome. Echo. Ito yung widest ceiling here, pero hindi yung highest. It's not the highest point. I'll show you later the highest. Widest lang siya. Malawak.
Parang may butas siya.
Sir. Dead ending yan. Sarado. Okay. Butas makikita natin yung sunlight.
Ay, pag dito ka pumunta? Talaga.
Sunlight. Okay, after the church, we are entering now
Ganda.
the
May butas
market.
din.
Market or the fruits and vegetables.
Parang ano, puso ng saging.
Chandelier.
Oh.
I'll show you later the banana blossom. Nice yun po. Ito na yung market. And front natin, madam, sa harap, baba lang ho, konting kaliwa. Yan. You know cacao fruits?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're familiar, right?
Yeah.
Fruits that making chocolate, yung seed niyan. Okwa o tablia. A little down, a little right. We have also a garlic there.
O nga, no?
Garlic, now, very expensive.
Maybe the largest garlic.
Kaya walang vampire here. Wag lang kayong lumingon at daba. Baka magulat kayo. And the next and front, yung corn.
O nga, no?
Yellow corn. Malaki pa yan sa Japanese corn.
Sweet kaya yan?
Para siyang top.
Sweet corn kaya yan?
And on your left side, madam, yung giant mushroom. Huwag nyo nang ilawan yung ibabaw. Nakaka-discourage. Baba, ma'am, baba. Baba lang. Yan. Kasi lalaki yan. Nakita nyo.
Di ba kaya ano yan? Stall.
Longstone ang tawag dyan. Pag sa wall na buo, longstone. From ceiling, stalactite. From stalagmite, stalagmite. If the stalactite and the stalagmite meet or join in the middle as one, at sa gitna sila, yun ang column. So yung mamaya itong column. Konting abante, yan po, it look like, konting kanan, madam. Kanan. You know, cucumber? Forward, konti lang, baba. Baba, abante, konti lang. Yan.
Oh.
Pipino. Only one. And the next, you know sayote?
Yes.
1/4.
Sayote.
One of our vegetable. Ayun. Abante, it looks like a seashells on the right.
Ito, yes.
And the last is a giant peanut. Yung isa, yun, mani.
Oh,
Laki.
Lots of herbs.
Yan ay kinds of flowstone. Konting abante, yun yung eggplant. Yung yellowish. Talong. Yung katabi niya na maliit, look like a fried eggplant na. Yun. Kabila, ma'am. Yan. Alam niyo yung torta? Yung isa.
yan. Natorta yan.
Before and after. And above your head,
There.
yun yung puno ng saging sa kanan.
Sa kanan. There. And the back.
Banana blossom, yan beautiful example of stalactite. Stalactite. Ha? Yan yung pusong bato.
Pusong bato.
Yan yung pusong bato. Yan, look like a fresh carrots.
Ayun.
Oh, yan, paborito Bugs Bunny.
Yes.
And then yung last one, rotten carrots na. Bilok na.
Ayaw.
Ayun, no?
Pero lumalaki yan. And on your left side, forward konti, yun yung med section here. And it looks like a chicken breast.
Oo nga. Nakaputi.
Enjoy. It's one of my favorite. I like it. Hola. Buongiorno. Bon Jovi. Bounce lang yan ang paddle on a water, ha?
Wala nahuhulog.
Wala. Alam niyo dito in Perity, there's a lot of informations you see. Depends in your imagination lang yan. Abstract kasi sila, di ba? Hindi naman pare yung imagination natin.
Yes.
Kaya pag may nakita kayo above your head, just imagine na lang what is that.
Kasi pinag-imagine. Wow. Difficult.
Okay. Tapos na tayo sa market. We are entering now at the highest point. So before that, look on your right side. Kanan.
Kanan.
We have another formation there. Kanan pa, madam. Yun, look like a bird. Kunti na lang, kunti. Yun, kunti pa kanan. Kanan po, papunta sa akin. Kunti pa, kunti pa.
Oh.
Malapit na.
Wala na.
Sa akin napunta. Kanan pa, ma'am, sa akin.
Wala na.
Yun.
Ang layo na.
Muntik nang makalipad.
I want to see the biggest dome.
Sa left ninyo, kaliwa, taas. You see a rather bat there?
Nga.
Yeah, don't say wow also. Your mouth is open. You can say, Yeah. And forward pa, madam, yun yung highest point. A little up.
Up.
Or
Oh.
the highest ceiling. Abante,
Highest.
konti.
Yeah.
65-meter high above water level. 65 metros.
65.
So if you came from Sabang, doon sa Pantalan, while you're riding a boat, you see the highest mountain.
Yes.
Yan, or we call it here, a St. Paul Mountain.
Yeah.
We are under of that mountain now.
Oh.
Ito yung ilalim niya, sir. Tunnel.
Talaga?
If you're not outside, there is a lot of trees, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya maraming dripping water. Daming tulo.
Di ba yung mga ugat na rin na
May-
mapapasok yan?
Mataas pa yung sir, hindi pa yung punong baboy niya.
Okay. Galing eh.
And then on your right side, imagine the formation of those rocks. Look like a garbage mountain. Abante, ma'am. Yun.
Yeah.
The image of the smoky hill. Payata. Yeah? And baba ng konti lang. Yung chocolate brown, ma'am, na parang lupa, look like a sun. See? That is the guano. Yung guano. That's inbred pupo.
Yeah.
Yeah, the number 1 organic fertilizer. Organic, pataba po yan. Dito, we are not allowed to collect kasi underground or under unprotected area. Pinapabayaan na yung sumama sa pag-flowing ng water, kaya siya mabaho kasi nababasa. Yun yung mabaho, yung guwan. And then, in front of us, like straight lang, madam, that is the last part of our tour. Baba, konti lang baba. Yun yung highway or tunnel. Abante, konti lang, ma'am. Yun, no? Straight part inside is still 200 meter long.
Ay, yung straight na yan?
Yan, God's highway. Yeah? My way. Highway 54. EDSA. EDSA. So, we are allowed to tour lang only beyond this point.
Okay.
Why?
Yes, we are here now on a regular tour. 1.5, so we will go back na. Huh? Yeah, if you want to go further, I'll just wait you here. You can go now. Alam,
May pumunta na ba dyan? Dire-diretso talaga?
Opo, sir. Alam niyo ba tong river na to, measured to be 8.2 kilometer.
Okay.
8.2?
Yes. So the navigable dyan, navigated, possible to paddle boat is only 4.3. Kalahati lang half. Kasi yung rest niya, narrow na, makitid.
Okay.
So, we are allowed to explore up to 4.3. So, you need to secure a special permit first. Yan, anytime we can go there. No exit yan on the other side, ha? The exit is also...
Bakit delikado na ba dyan?
Hindi naman, sir. Kaya kami nagbigay ng regular tour up to 1.5 kilometers para all the guests of underground accommodate, may pasok namin sa buong mag-.
Okay.
Kasi everyday, maraming pumupunta dito.
Why is there a cross?
Yung mga crosses on the right or positive sign, those are markings or guides of the local explorer. That is not a dead people, ha? Hindi, yan yung hindi nakasurvive. Lahat
There's
dito
marker.
survivors. Oh, you see the white vandals there in the date? See the date?
Oh,
Ay,
it's,
Very,
37?
very, very long time ago na. 37.
oh, 1937.
Captain yan tsaka lieutenant yung name doon, no?
Oh.
Explore dito?
Oh, yeah, since on that time, the underground is not open for public pa, di ba?
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse po, yung nasa middle, pamove kayo konti pa kanan. So, view po. Yan, yung may jacket. Yan, yan. Kasi malapit na ako mahulog. Pantay na po. Okay, above your head. Now we're looking again at the highest.
Oh!
More or less 200 feet, 65 meter high, or like a 20 stories of building.
Yan o, pinakatuktok ko.
You know, we call it here Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Taas eh. Oh no.
Because if you look up,
Okay na ba may picture
your
doon?
eyes full of water. Huh? Sorry. Dito pa talaga tumapag.
It's okay. It's a free shower.
Yeah? I feel water. You can make a wish also. Yeah, just close your eyes and open your mouth. If there is a cold one, you are blessed, you are lucky. If warm and sticky, local explorer lang yan, ma'am. Albert, di ba? Yan sa front natin, no? Yan yung yellowish color, ma'am. Left a little lang. Like a half face of Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Left a little,
Yeah.
You see the eye?
I can see the
Nose
mustache.
bleeding, the mouth, weird and long cord here. Or look like a shroud of the rain in Italy. Tignan nyo,
Can you
nose
touch?
bleed.
No.
No.
Baka gumuho ito.
You see, nose bleed, di ba? Sometimes me too. Yeah, I'm getting nose bleed also. Yeah, free shower.
Woohoo! It's cold!
Oh my God. I'm so wet now.
Oh!
你心会慌吗？不会。
Yan o, a little forward lang, ma'am. Taas po. Abante. Abante pa. You see the inverted finger? Abante konti lang. There, oh. Up a little bit, left.
Yeah.
Forward a little, left. There.
Yeah, there. I see 2 fingers.
You're watching The Voice. You see that?
Okay.
There is a sign of
Peace.
peace, yeah, or of victory. So all the formations yan, you see inside this cave, natural po yan. Yeah, made by God or nature.
Nice.
Yes, kaya the underground river belongs siya in 7 wonders. No man made here. Ha? Tingin kayo sa katabi nyo. Yan yung man-made here. Yeah? People like us, yung nag-visit lang inside the cave. Yan in front of us, remember that formation? Left a little. Yan yung mushroom kanina. Yan tiny. Baba. There. So now, you see, it's not look like a mushroom na. Nag-iba na yung formation ng stone, yung angulo niya. Yeah. Kaya pagpabalik na tayo, another formations yung ating nakikita. Now, it's look like a bunch of Dora na. Yan si Dora.
Dora the Explorer.
Buhok niya. Yan, we have also a squid there, oh. Yan. We're making calamares,
Squid.
Okay, so we are here now again on Cathedral or in a big dome. Sa kaliwa natin, ma'am. Baba lang po, abante konti lang. Yung yellowish, there is the Holy Family. Remember that?
Yeah.
And a little up, down, left konti lang. Konti pa. You know the Last Supper, a little up lang po. Yun.
Yun.
The Last Supper, Jesus.
Oh,
The last dinner. A man eating on a table, diba? Yun, no? You see? They are only 6. Diba? 6 na lang. The others are gone.
Busog na.
They already left.
Kasunod sa ibabaw ng kandila, we have also a castle. Baba, ma'am, sa ibabaw yun.
Yun,
Up
no?
ang konti.
Sa dulo.
Yun.
Oh.
Yung castle, together with the 3 kings on the middle. See the shadow.
Yeah.
Ha? Kahit sang anggulo tignan. Anggulo-gulo. Yan. And a little forward, baba lang. You know si Virgin Mary. Nakita nyo na?
Yes, with
Are
a
you
shadow.
Yung stone in front ba, mabubunggo na tayo.
Oo nga pala.
Yan, yan. Malapit na. I can see it. In this area po, I will show you, look like a naked lady. It's
Where?
only a formation for the girls, excuse me.
Okay.
Wait lang. Yeah. You see the white colors there? The white color stone there in front?
Ah, I see the bat.
A little up. Forward lang, ma'am.
There.
Oh my God. Perfect. Look at her back. You see?
Beautiful bat.
No underwear.
Galing ah.
Kiyomi. Sexy lady. Her name, Sharon. Know her? Sharon Stone. Yan. She's the model of this game. Ngayon, yung Miss Sharon. Sons of Paddle again. Kayo matakot, ha? Matakot na rin tuloy ako. Wala nga crocodile here, wala rin shark, no piranha rin. Alam niyo kung may mga ganong species dito? Our tour is more exciting.
We will paddle more.
Yeah,
We
the
have more
45 minutes tour, we can make it 4 to 5 minutes only. Diba? Doon tayo sa mouth. You help me paddle pa, use your helmet. Go out of this cave.
For the pens.
I'm not coming with you. Yan no, look like a lion piece. Or a hand of lion. See my finger, diba? And then in front,
Parang tayo na lang pala.
we have another name, papasok ka rin.
Ah, yun. Nakala ko tayo.
Paglabas, pasok, labas pa. Yan on your left side, madam. Baba. Baba pa. It's like a front of ship. You see that? Baba.
Ah, okay.
Or forward. Or like an edge of Titanic.
Ah, okay.
See? Iceberg.
And what are those people with lights? Who are those?
Hello. Enjoy. It's more fun inside.
More crocodile.
It's more fun in Palawan. Kahirapan. Number 1. So baka may mga question po kayo, ha? Para may kausap naman ako. Nasa harapan. Naiya. Okay. So alam nyo, inside this cave, we have an 8 species of bats dito.
Oh.
Walong uri sila. And 2 species are endemic. Dito lang makikita. You see above your head, the chocolate. Rather, the small bats on the back of stone, yung mas maliliit. You know, yan. That is the endemic bats. Hindi na yan lumalaki. Yeah, this is the size of that bat. So we call it here a left-nosed bats and horseshoe bats. So all of them yan are insect bats. Yan. Yung maliliit, yung malalaki hindi yan bats. Yan, bato yan. Maliliit lang. During 6:30 in afternoon, they go out on cave to find their foods yan in a forest. Lumalabas sila. So you know, in a study about the bats, one single bats yan can eat 3,000 insects or more in a one night only.
Really?
Ganun karami yung kanilang capacity. Wait lang nila, no? Pero ang dami lang mosquito nakakain. Sila.
There, dami.
Harmless yan sila. Hindi yan nangangagat. Friendly yan. They don't attack us.
If they attack, we become vampire.
Yung making click noise birds yun. Yun yung swallow galing sa sayaw. Okay. You know, a little forward. Abante pa, ma'am.
Pababangga na tayo.
Okay lang yan. Alam ko yan sila kung saan tayo lang.
Ah, okay.
Sa uladin yan.
Okay.
Yan no, sa may kaliwa ninyo, ma'am. Baba lang po. Abante konti yung kulay itim.
There.
Abante pa. Look like a giraffe painting. There.
Ah,
The
okay.
4 long legs, body, the tail, the neck, and the head. Diba? Baba lang po. Abante ng konti. Konti na lang. Baba. Abante. Abante.
There.
Konti pa. On abante, ma'am. Baba pa po. Abante. Forward. There. You see the black mouse? Together with the black cat. What do you imagine that formation is? Huh? Tom and Jerry, right?
Yeah.
A very funny movie, very big character. I like it. That's one of it. Okay. So itong underground river ay na-establish or open for public last March 26, 1971. 43 years. Open for tour. So, panahon pa yung Marcos. They declared underground as national park or under a protected area. So, since on that time, we are not allowed to swim here, fishing, to collect guano, and edible birds. Bawal na lahat. And then the underground river became one of the 7 wonders of nature last November 11, 2011 lang. Before pa lang ito naging 7 wonders. 11, 11, 11. Easy to remember. So for those both underground, thank you very much. Ha? Anim na lang yung pupuntahan nyo. Mako-complete nyo na yung 7 wonders. Konting tiis na lang. Ha? Konti na lang yan. Yan in front of us, we have another formation dyan. You know, it's look familiar. Something lang na nakasabit. Annyeong! Annyeonghaseyo! Ni hao! Sa harap, madam. Sa harapan. Konting taas lang, konting kanan. Baba, konting lang. You see that? Taas. What do you imagine that formation? Kanan. There.
Okay.
Ew.
Inverted.
Inverted shit. The last drop. Yes. I can't do that. So don't try in your home. It's so difficult hanging upside down.
Yeah.
Yan yung swallow. Balik.
Baling sa sayaw.
Yeah.
Sayang din na.
Sweetness. You see the sunlight in front?
Yes.
That is the end of our tour. The end of tunnel. Thank God. Yeah, we're so bad. See? And on your left, there is the bad cave, if you remember. Yeah. Conducting special studies are allowed lang to explore that cave. And above your head, you see the chocolate brown? Forward lang. Markings or state in our ceiling.
Yeah.
Pupo yan ng bats. Or mineralization from guano. So imagine, it's look like an ice cream. And it smell bad here. Natural perfume of underground river. Reminders, if you go home, don't forget to take a bath. Yeah,
Because
if
of
not,
bat smell.
you smell like a bat. Yan. Dumidikit yan sa damit. Kaya ngayon afternoon, if I go home na, I'm full of shit. Konting baba lang, ma'am. Sa kaliwa nyo, yung kulay white, yan na yung tinatawag. Baba, tama yung baba. Yan, baba lang. Na column. We call it column. The stalactite on ceiling and the stalagmite from the ground.
Okay.
Are joined in the
Nag-join
middle
na.
as one. Naging couple na sila. Yeah. Column ang tawag dyan. Na. May question pa kayo? Wala na. May liwanag na,
Yeah.
na nagsasabi, may bukas pa. So congratulations everyone.
We
And thank
explore.
you for visit underground river.
Yeah.
We are survivors now. Welcome here in outside world. The night is over. Good morning again. Good morning, everyone. And ma'am, in front, thank you for holding our spotlight, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation. You are good right there. Because of you, we find things.
Video.
You can turn off our spotlight na po so we can save our battery. Ah, kasi yung maliwanag above your head, langit na yan. Ah, may bukas.
Yay! After 4 days.
So, 45 minutes yung turn natin.
Sakto. 45 minutes ka.
Kasi kung 44 pa lang, dito lang muna sana tayo. Natin.
Oh, can we go to the sea?
And then on your right side, you see, there is the outflow of this river.
Oh.
The
So,
West Philippine Sea.
kaya pala brown din siya.
Yung brown sir from the river, yan. Alam niyo ba yung river 5 kilometer away from Sabang, the bridge and under construction, yung white bridge, then there is the main of this river. Diretso lang sila. Di ba lalaki ng alon?
Yes.
Diyan kayo dadaan. Ingat kayo. Tapos sa sobrang lakas ng hangin kagabi, yun o, naputol yung kahoy. Nasira siya.
Dahil sa bagyo?
So optional feature tayo on your left. Before we down, your guide is waiting for us. You know.
Is angry.
Lingon na lang.
Yeah.
Wave your hands.
Bien.
Thumbs up. It's an optional lang. And no more na.
That's
I'll go down first na lang reminders. I will hold the boat for you. Ha? Kasi if you go down first, you will hold the boat for me. Yes. And much better, you down on the right side only. On the right. And one at a time. Not all of them. Take your time. Always your first step is your foot. Okay? Yeah, not your face. No reason to smile.
Part of St. Paul Mountain.
Doon sir, mamaya sa later doon sa floater, you can take a picture doon.
Okay.
Yan maganda mag-jump shot pa tayo.